All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about two new products that are out in the market. They're from McKee's 37, and the first one is Gentle Wheel Cleaner. Now, this is something I could really use because I wash my car so often, but I don't always want to spray these harsh wheel cleaners on the wheels. So this is something I can use weekly. It's not going to damage them. It's pretty much safe on any wheel type. So I like that. They also brought out their new version of their tire and rubber Rejuvenator, which basically I think has all the same good features as the old one. It just doesn't have that bad smell. And I never really thought it was too bad myself, but they took out whatever scent they didn't like out of it. So let's try out these two new products today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go. All right, so here's the wheels we're gonna be working on, wheels and tires. They've got some dressing applied last week. They got some dust, a little bit of dirt. We'll do both these on this side here. And as you can see, they are just dirty. Okay, so first things first is you wanna work on a cool wheel. Now I just drove this here from work, so I'm letting it cool down. I'm gonna start with the tire and rubber Rejuvenator. They want you to use this on a dry wheel. They want you to spray it on, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then you want to scrub it. All right. So I've got my brush here. Start scrubbing. You can see some browning coming off. Now, the smell of this, I can see it's already whiter. The smell of this, I don't know, maybe some kind of citrus type of scent. And this is, strong enough to clean them. It's like a degreaser, but it's not gonna take away the conditioners of the tire. Getting more of that brown out. Seems to work pretty good. My hands are not dirty. Very nice. So that's the McKee's 37 new formula tire and rubber Rejuvenator. All right, now for the wheels, let's try the Gentle Wheel Cleaner. Now they want you to work on cool wheels. So what I'm gonna do is just cool this down a little bit. And since I wash my car a lot, this is really good because I can use this weekly. Spray it inside. It's got a cool little green color to it. Take my wheel brush here for the barrels. Get inside there. Yeah, that works nice. It's got some nice foam to it. Can you guys see that? Spray some on my wash mitt here. Rub this in. And I tell you what, that's a pleasant pleasant scent to it now. They've really changed the scent. And if you have another brush, you want to scrub the interior areas with, that'll work too. Very nice. Enjoying this wheel cleaner. Smells great. All right, everything looks good, nice and clean. I think it looks very, very good. Nice, clean, super great to work with. The smell is nice, easy. All right, guys, I'm gonna do one more wheel. I'm gonna do it close. So we'll start with the tire and rubber rejuvenator. Get that nice foaming action. You can see it start to get the brown out. This stuff is pleasant smelling. I like that. They really did fix that. And it's got some bite to it. All right, let's go on to the gentle wheel cleaner. Make sure you spray the barrels. Get your brush, spray some on the brush. Start cleaning here. See, I like how it suds. You know, it's in there scrubbing away. Get your mitt, scrub down the wheel. And last but not least, get your last brush and hit any of those hard to reach areas. They make all kinds of different brushes for this. I just picked a few that I had. That smells really good. All right, guys, that's how it comes out. Looks real nice and clean. That's your rubber, tire and rubber rejuvenator and your gentle wheel cleaner. Okay guys, so that was a nice, quick, short video. These are the two new products we're talking about from McKee's 37. Their gentle wheel cleaner and their tire and rubber rejuvenator, the new formula. First off, right away, the scents on these. Very pleasant, very nice to work with. You know, cleaning wheels isn't the greatest thing. Those scents that they use in here are very, very good. I started off with the tire and rubber rejuvenator. I sprayed it on the dry tire. I suppose if you wanted to rinse a tire, that's up to you, but they want you to do it on a dry one. Leave it for about 30 seconds, scrub it, rinse it, and you can repeat if necessary. This is like a degreaser, and it will take out all the old dressings, any kind of grime and grease that's on those tires. Really nice job. Okay, so very impressed. Then I went over to the gentle wheel cleaner. I like this. I like this idea because I wash my car so much, my wheels don't get that dirty. So I don't want to use something with acid in it. This is non-acid wheel cleaner. And you can use this pretty much as you want. And it really does a nice job. It has another pleasant scent to it. It's got a green color. It's just fun to use and it works. Like I said, I don't get jazzed up about wheel and tire cleaners, but these work. They work really well. They smell good, and they do make me excited to clean wheels again. So very, very cool. If you guys want to get these, go check out McKee's37.com, or you can go to idscarcare.com and get these products. Guys, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Stay tuned for more new products from McKee's 37 because I have them. I'm just waiting till they get released to make the video for you. So get ready.